Hey there! I'm always asked about profitability, how to make more money while optimizing costs. I'm Nassiba, CEO and co-founder of Logistica, and I've got over a decade of experience helping businesses just like yours optimizing their logistics. Today, I'm sharing 4 crucial tips to help you boost your margin and take your business to the next level. Stick around till the end because I've got a secret weapon that will supercharge your efforts. Let's get started. First thing first, let's talk about margin. Margin is the difference between what you sell a product for and what it costs you. It's a profit, plain and simple. For example, let's say you sell a product for $50 and it costs you $30 to make. Your margin would be $20. Understanding your margin is crucial because it determines how much money you're really making. Now let's dive into the tips that make a real impact on your profitability. Tip number 1, focus on your top selling products. I often see cosmetics, fashion or agri-food businesses having hundreds of different articles. They try to diversify their product and that's a good thing, unless you're losing focus. Top selling products refer to those that generate the highest sales volume or revenue, and by emphasizing these products, you can increase your revenue because you spend less time on low revenue products. To be able to focus on top selling products, you have to be able to gain visibility on your sales and identify your best selling items. For that, you might take advantage of softwares like Logistica. By analyzing this data, you can shift your sales strategy to promote those high margin products even more. For example, if you own a clothing store and notice that your leather jacket have the highest margin, you can create special promotion or showcase them prominently in your store to drive more sales and increase your profitability. Tip number 2, fine-tune your pricing strategy. That's one of the most asked questions when it comes to profitability. How can I set up the right price? This will be the subject of another video on that topic. But first, you should make sure you are not losing money and really calculate your cost, including all supply chain costs. Once you calculate your cost, you should look at market and competition. This information allows you to set optimal price that maximizes your margin without turning away customers. Let's say you run an online bookstore and you see that the later thriller novels are in high demand. With this knowledge, you can slightly increase the price of those books to improve your margin, while still offering a competitive price compared to other sellers. Tip number 3, streamline your operations. Look for areas in your business where you can automate tasks and improve efficiencies. By freeing up your time and resources, you can focus on activities that directly impact your bottom line. For instance, using inventory management features like Logistica's, you can automate stock tracking, saving you hours of manual work. This means you'll have more time to invest in activities like marketing, customer service, or developing new strategy to increase your profitability. Tip number 4, analyze and optimize your expenses. There are many ways to calculate your expenses, but it's a daily recurring job. With Logistica expense tracking capabilities, you can gain a clear understanding of where your money is going. Identify areas where you can cut costs without compromising quality. Let's say you operate a restaurant and notice that certain ingredients have increased in price. By analyzing this data in Logistica, you can explore alternative suppliers or adjust your menu to maintain your margins while providing value to your customers. So there you have it. By focusing on your top selling products, fine-tuning your pricing strategy, streamlining your operations, and optimizing your expenses, you'll be way on your way to increase your profitability. And remember, Logistica is your secret weapon that provides you with valuable insights and visibility into your sales, top sellers, and cost of goods, helping you make informed decisions and drive higher margins. Now go out there and make your business thrive.